Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our topical weather analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, June 28 to 30, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Now let's begin with our update. It looks like our afternoon will be filled with localized thunderstorms once again in various portions of the country, as you can see here from our daily graph set beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. Although it's clear based on the 1230 satellite, as we speak, there are building thunderstorms right now. We are going to show to you later the latest satellite information from windy.com as well as from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, the Himawari 8 fast animation. There are some developing thunderstorms right now all throughout the country, and based on this graph set, there's a strong thunderstorms over the northern portions of the Sulu archipelago, and it includes the island of Palawan. So expect some heavy rainfall and lightning strikes as well as strong gust of wind within the next an hour or two. And up here over the Batanes and Babuyan Islands, we have the southwesterly surface wind flows, which is somewhat dry but still bringing some busy conditions with partly to cloudy skies and isolated rain showers across the island province of Batanes and Babuyan Island Group. And this is being enhanced by the Frontal System. And by the way, the once tropical storm Champi, which became a typhoon briefly, is now being absorbed by this frontal system. It can't be seen on our satellite analysis. It's over to the east of northern Japan, and it became an extratropical cyclone during the past 24 hours, and it's already gone. And right now, at the back of this text, we are watching a developing surface trough, which both of the computer models are forecasting it to become an active low pressure area within the next few days. So we're keeping an eye on this system, and I'm going to show to you the forecast from the American model as well as the European model, based on what they see on the latest output on their respective models. And as we look at the fast animation, here comes the surface trough, which is slowly becoming an area of low pressure area to the northwest of the Marianas. And this is somewhat an interest for the next few days, as the American model is tracking it towards the Philippine Sea right there, and the European model is towards this way. So it depends on what will be the outcome in the next few days. We will let you know, and we will issue tropical cyclone updates if it does develop into a tropical cyclone. Now here's the zoom in southern animation. This is based on the satellite loop beginning 10 a.m. today until 3 o'clock this afternoon. As the afternoon progresses, we can observe some wide array of localized thunderstorms across Luzon, particularly central Luzon, and also over the Bicol region. Right here in Naga, we have a developing thunderstorm over the upper barangay of Naga City, and in the various portions of Camarines Sur, and also over the areas of Palawan and Mindoro, and also over Masbate and parts of the Visayas. Later on, in areas of Mindanao, there could be developing isolated thunderstorms as well. And here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days. Localized thunderstorms will continue to prevail across the northern and central Luzon, especially in the afternoon or evening, as well as over at Mindoro Island. Some portions of the Bicol region, especially over the southern Camarines and northern Albay area, and also over northwestern Samar, Masbate, Panay, Negros, and other portions of Visayas. And the strong thunderstorms is expected to form over the southern and western sections of Mindanao, within the next 3 days. And if we look at the wind forecast from the American model for the next 3 days until Wednesday, is still the prevailing southwesterly surface wind flow will be the constant wind system for the next 3 days, as you can see here. And here comes the surface trough moving towards the Philippine Sea. This is now the area that we are going to observe. By Wednesday, it will be approaching the Philippine area of responsibility, and it could become a low pressure area. So we're going to keep an eye on that system, because if we move forward until the weekend, on Thursday and Friday, the system will become an active low pressure area within the Philippine Sea, and on Saturday or Sunday, it might develop into a tropical depression. That's why we are keeping an eye on this system. Although the wind circulation is not yet strong based on the forecast for Saturday and Sunday, but we are going to keep an eye on that system. Since it is now July, these are the common times where tropical cyclones develops, and it is the highest frequency together with August when it comes to tropical cyclone formation at this time of the year. And if we look at the European model, so in the European model on Wednesday, it will be a surface trough moving towards the west-northwest, towards the areas of southern islands of Japan, but it's not yet clear. We are going to observe that in the coming days, but based on the American model, there are hints of becoming a tropical depression or an active low pressure area. So we will keep you updated on Wednesday as well on Friday if it does develop into a low pressure area or even into a tropical cyclone. We will let you know in the coming days. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for today. Okay, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.